Okay, Algebra 1, your assignment out of the book is going to be solving quadratics with Desmos. And this is going to be really, really, really easy. And so how this is going to work is basically to solve a quadratic, when we were factoring and solving, we're trying to find where it crosses the x-axis. So with our problems here, we're not going to factor them now. All we're going to do is take Desmos, so desmos.com. If you don't remember how to get there, it's DESMOS.com. Okay? And then we're going to plug in the equation. So what I've done is I've done number 1. Okay? We're looking for where it crosses the x-axis. So the first thing you got to make sure of is that it's equal to 0. So the problem originally was x squared plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Make sure it is equal to 0. If it's not equal to 0, get it equal to 0. Then replace 0 with y. And go to Desmos and plug that in there. Y equals x squared plus 3x minus 10. All right, now there's 3 things that can happen. All right, when you're graphing a parabola, the first thing that can happen as far as the x-axis goes is it cannot touch the x-axis at all. So therefore, that answer would be no solution. The next thing as far as the x-axis goes is it touches it once. So basically your vertex, which is what we've been calling this, is on the x-axis. And if your vertex is on the x-axis, then you have just one answer and you write that number down. And then the last way it can do it, interact, the most common way is it touches the x-axis twice. So when you draw a parabola and it hits the x-axis twice, you write both numbers down because you're going to have 2 answers there. All right, so if I take this graph and I show you what it looks like, it looks like this. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be crossing at -5, 0 and 2, 0. So my answers for this problem, and all we have to do is write down our answers, are -5 and 2. So I would say x equals -5, x equals 2. If it doesn't equal anything, then you write no solution. So if your graph is not touching the x-axis at all, no solution. If your graph is touching it once, you write whatever number is touching that, and you only have to write it once. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you soon.